Alright guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the latest version of Tailwind CSS, that is Tailwind CSS 4.1, into your Vite project. We already have a fresh Vite project created, as you can see here. Now let's go step by step and set up Tailwind properly. First, open your browser and simply search for Tailwind CSS. Click on the first official link that appears. Here, you will be taken to the official documentation for Tailwind CSS version 4.1. Now, if you have seen older tutorials or projects using Tailwind version 3.4 or below, you might notice the installation steps are completely different. So don't get confused. Tailwind 4.1 follows a brand new installation method. Just make sure you follow the steps of this latest version. We've already created our Vite project, so we don't need to run the project creation command again. All we need is the installation command for Tailwind. Copy the installation command from the Tailwind docs and paste it into your project terminal. Tailwind will now start installing in your project. Once Tailwind finishes installing, you will see that Tailwind version 4.1 has been successfully added to your project. Now, go back to the documentation, copy the configuration line provided, and open your vite.config.js file. Paste the Tailwind configuration inside the file. After that, add the Tailwind plugin inside the plugins section. This step is extremely important for Vite to detect Tailwind correctly. Next, open your global CSS file, usually named index.css. At the very top of this file, add the Tailwind import statement from the documentation. This ensures that Tailwind's utilities, components, and base styles load properly inside your project. And that's it. Tailwind CSS is now successfully integrated into your Vite project. Let's quickly test it. Open your app.jsx file and apply some Tailwind classes. For example, let's change the text color to red, set the font weight to semi-bold, and increase the text size to 3XL. Once you save the file, you can instantly see that the Tailwind classes are working perfectly on the screen. So yes, Tailwind CSS version 4.1 has been successfully added to your Vite project. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more web development tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.